Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well and your study is running properly, and I hope so you have completed your previous homework. Okay, so today we are here to discuss on a new topic, and you again welcome in online maths class, and keep your one notebook and NCERT book with you. By that, you can understand the concept better. So, as you know, three types of methods of solution to solve the pair of linear equation we have already discussed. Okay, so I'm here with a new topic of the same chapter, pair of linear equation in two variable. Now today's our topic is equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. Sometimes we have seen the equations are given, those are not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, because it is a standard linear equation. So what we will do, we need to convert the given equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is known as reducible to a pair of linear equation. It means we are going to convert the given equation in the form of linear equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So today we are going to learn this thing, that how we will convert the given equation that is not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, that is reducible to linear equation. It means we are going to reduce the given equation in linear equation, that is standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we are going to learn this topic today. So how, see, whatever equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables, what's happening is, see here, there are some pair of equations which are not linear but can be reduced to the linear form by substitution. So see here one example in front of you, a upon x plus b upon y plus is equal to c. Okay, so here abc are the integers and x and y are the variables. So you can see here this equation is the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. No, it is not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we are going to reduce this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. How? See here. Now we can convert these type of equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So let it was written there a upon x plus b upon y plus a upon x plus b upon y is equal to c. So we can write here, let 1 upon x is equal to m. You can take any integer, it may be u, v, p, q, r, whatever integer you want you can take, whatever variable you can want you can take in place of 1 upon x. So 1 upon x is equal to, let 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. So this equation can be written in this form. After in 1 upon x, in place of 1 upon x we can write m, and in place of 1 upon y we can write n. So equation is converted in the form of am plus bn is equal to c, where m and n are the variables and abc are the integers. So this equation is converted into the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So it is a linear equation. Okay, it can be easily solved by any of the method of solving linear equation. We shall discuss the solution of such pairs of equations which are not linear but can be reduced to linear form by making some suitable substitution. See how. This is the first example in front of you. Solve the following system of equation. Equation is given here, 2 upon x plus 2 upon 3y is equal to 1 upon 6. So again see here, you can see beta x and y variables are given in the denominator. So this equation in the form is not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and second equation is also given here, that is 3 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 0. Here also variables in denominator, and this equation is not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So what our first priority? Our first priority is that we need to convert these both equation in the form of linear equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so put here, let 1 upon x is equal to u. Yeah, we are taking here in place of 1 upon x we can write u, and in place of 1 upon y we can write v. Okay, so see what the changes are occur. So what the changes? It will be converted as 2u because 2 upon x was here, and it will be 2 upon 3v is equal to 1 upon 6. Okay, and we can take the LCM of this equation. So LCM will be 3, and 3 to the 6u plus 2v is equal to 1 upon 6. Now cross multiply. So 6u plus 2v is equal to 3 upon 6, and 3 upon 6 is converted into 1 upon 2. Okay, again we need to multiply. So 6 to the 12 plus 2 to the 4v is equal to 1. So we got the linear equation 12u plus 4v is equal to 1. So it is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Got it? And same thing for the second equation, that will be 3 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 0. So we can write here 3u plus 2v is equal to 0. These two equations we have got. So we have three methods to solve these equation from algebraic: substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. We can use any one. So what we are doing, we are multiplying equation 2 by 4. Why? Because we are going to eliminate one term. So 3 4 are 12, because the coefficient of u is there 12, and here is the coefficient of u is 3. So we need to multiply the second equation by 4. So 3 4 are 12u plus 4v is equal to 1. It was the first equation, so we have written again, and it is equation number 3, and second equation multiplied by 4. So 3 4 are 12u plus 2 4 are 8v is equal to 400. That's why by applying the elimination method, subtracting both the equation. So when we will subtract both the equation, so 12u both are cancel, and 4v minus 8v, that is minus 4v is equal to 1, and v is equal to minus 1 upon 4. V is equal to minus 1 upon 4. So we need to putting these values of v in equation first. Okay, so what the value of v, that is minus 1 upon 4. So 12u plus 4 into minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1. 4 cancel, and it is plus minus minus. So minus 1 when it will transpose towards right side, so 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 12 is equal to 2. 2 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon 6. So we have to got here the value of u and v. Both the values we have got, and now the question is not end, because in question variable were x and y, but we have to find out the value of only u and v. Now we again do put the value of u and v. So what we have let? We have let 1 upon x is equal to u. So what is the value of u? That is 1 upon 6. So 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 6. That's why x is equal to 6. And 1 upon y is equal to v. So 1 upon y is equal to minus 1 upon 4. That's why y is equal to minus 4. So by this we have got the value of x and y. Okay. Let's see one more example. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. Again you can see variables are given in the denominator, and we did not have the equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So first priority is that we need to convert these equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So what we will do, again we will let 1 upon x plus y is equal to u. Let here put here 1 upon x plus y is equal to u, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. Got it? Okay. So in place of 1 upon x y plus y we can write u, in place of 1 upon x minus y we can write v. So we are going to write here. So it will be converted as 10u plus 2v is equal to 4, and 15u minus 5v is equal to minus 2. Now again we are going to solve this equation, but what the problem? Coefficients are not equal, so we are going to make the coefficients equal. So multiplying equation third by 5 and equation 4 by 2. Okay, to eliminate v. So what will happen when the third equation will multiply by 5? So 10 5s are 50 and 5 2s are 10v is equal to 5 4s are 20. Then second equation multiply by 2. So 15 2s are 30u minus 5 2s are 10v is equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 4, that is. Now when we will add both the equations, so 10v both are cancel, and 50u plus 30u, that is 80u, and 20 minus 4, that is 16. So we can write u is equal to 16 upon 80, that is 1 upon 5. Again we do the same thing in elimination procedure. What we are doing? We need to put the value of u in any one equation, either third or fourth. Okay, so we are putting value of u in equation number third. So we get 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2v is equal to 4. So 2 plus 2v is equal to 4, that's why 2v is equal to 2. Now that v is equal to 1. Now again the question is not over here, because we have let here 1 upon x plus y is equal to u and 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. So we need to put the value again. So 1 upon x plus 5, y is equal to 1 upon 5, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. So what the equation we will get? We will get x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Again we need to solve both equations, so we can get, because plus y and minus y both are the reference symbol, so they will be the cancel. So 2x is equal to 6, that's why x is equal to 3. Now the putting value of x in equation 5, so we get 3 plus y is equal to 5, so that y is equal to 2. So we can write x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Okay, these are the simple problems in front of you. Now we are going to discuss on the word problems. How we will solve the word problems, a pair of linear equation in two variables. So for solving daily life problems with the help of simultaneous linear equation in two variables or equation reducible to them, proceed as. What are the steps here? Represent the unknown quantities by the same variables x and y which are to be determined. Okay, whatever the things are not given, we need to let, and whatever the thing question is asking there, we need to represent by the variables, that those are x and y. Second is there, find the conditions given in the problems and translate the verbal condition into pair of simultaneous linear equation. It means whatever the condition given in the in words, so we need to convert those equation in mathematical form. So we need to write those conditions in mathematical form and prepare a form of pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, and third point is there, solve these equation and obtain the required quantities with appropriate unit. Whatever the after that, after getting the equation, we need to solve both the equation by suitable method, whatever method you want to apply, and find the values. Okay, now which kinds of problems are word problems are there? Determining two numbers when the relation between them is given. Sometimes what's happening, questions are given, find out the numbers and relation between the numbers are given. And second thing, problem regarding fraction, digits of number, ages of person. So you have seen many questions. Sometimes the age of father given and son given, relations are given, question asking about both ages. So these kind of question you need to face. Third is there, problems regarding current of river, regarding time and distance, and sometime question will be regarding current and distance. Means one board is running with the stream, and downstream and upstream, these things are given, and you need to find out the speed of the boat, speed of the water, and speed of the boat in still water. These things you need to find out in these type of question. And fourth is there, problems regarding mensuration and geometry. It means regarding length and breadth, or whatever things are given. Problems regarding time and work, and problems regarding mixture, cost of article, porting and lost discount. So these kind of problems you can see in word problems of pair of linear equation in two variables. So we are going to discuss on one example of word problems. Okay, how we will solve that one. See here, the sum question is given here, the sum of digits of two-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is 2 is the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Find the number. So see the question. What you will do? Question asking to us, find the number. So number having two digits, ones and tens. So we need to let digit at tens place is equal to x. Okay,
and unit digit y, unit place y and tens place x. And we know very well how we will find out the number, because number how we will find out the number, tens is multiplied by 10 and plus unit digit. Suppose 23 is number there, so what is the unit place is there, 3, and tens place is 2. So what we will do here, if I am saying to you beta find out the number, so what we will do, 10 into 2 plus 3, after that 23 will come. So because it is the tens place, so we need to multiply by 10. The same thing here, first we have let unit place and tens place, after that find the number, that is so that by those numbers, number is there 10x plus y. Now according to the question is saying that the sum of digits of 2-digit number is 9. So sum of digits is number is 9, so x plus y is equal to 9. Simple equation is there. This is the equation number first. Now second question saying that 9 times this number is 2 is the number obtained by reversing the order. Now reversing the order means 10x plus y, so it will convert 10y plus x. 9 times this number, 9 times this number, what is the number, 10x plus y. So 10x plus y is 9 times is equal to 2 10y plus x. This is the condition. By this condition we have obtained the equation. So what the equation we are getting, 8x minus 11y is equal to 0. We can take 8 common here, 8x minus y is equal to 0. The 8x is equal to y. So we can put the value of y in equation number first, that is x plus 8x is equal to 9. That's why 9x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, so we know the x plus y is equal to 9 from first equation, so y is equal to 8. So required number is 18. Now we will check the answer, how it is right. So question was saying the what was the question saying? Question was saying that the sum of digits is 9. So we can check 1 plus 8, that is 9, quite okay. Now it was the saying the 9 times of the number, 9 times of the number, reversing digits 2 times. So 9 times of the number, 18 into 9, what will come? 18 into 9, 162. 18 into 9, what will come? 162. Okay, and reversing the digit 2 times. So when you will reverse the digit 18, so what will come? It will come 81, and 81 into 2, that is also 162. It means our answer is right. Okay, so I hope so you have got it this problem. So you can face many kind of word problems. Those I have told you which kinds you have the word problems. So you need to solve those word problems in notebook. If any kind of problems, you can talk to me. Okay, so now the time of homework. So homework is there, NCERT exercise 3.5 and 3.6. You need to solve those all the questions in the notebook and prepare the notes also. If any kind of problem, ask to me. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.